Today we're learning about significant figures. Significant figures are important in measurement, but right now we're just interested in how to determine the number of significant figures present in a quantity or in a number that you're given, right? So for this particular significant figure determination, we're going to use a map of the United States as our mnemonic device. If you look at the map, you can see that we have a Pacific Ocean on the left and an Atlantic Ocean on the right. Now, this is part of the mnemonic device. If you think about the P as of Pacific and let it stand for present, as in your decimal point in your number that you're trying to determine how many significant figures are present in, then you will move in a direction which is left to right, or the Pacific Ocean to United States. If your decimal point is not present, as in A Atlantic Ocean for absent, then you will move from right to left. And these are the rules. Number one, if the decimal point is present, you will start from left to right, as in Pacific Ocean to United States. You will start counting at the first non-zero digit that you encounter moving in that direction. And all the other digits after it are going to be significant also. Example, this number right here. Now, if we follow the rules, you notice it says start from left to right. So we start at the 0. Notice that's 0. So it says non-zero. So we don't count you. This is 0. We don't count this one, but we do count this 3. So this is the first non-zero digit we have encountered. Now we need to move still on a left to right direction, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a total of 4 significant figures, and we need to do that. We need to actually count them as it says. So again, to recap, the first non-zero digit is our 3, moving from left to right. So then all the others, and I mean, if it had 10 zeros after that one, that would be 10 more that we would add. So 3, 0, 1, 0, that's 4 significant figures. Rule number 2. If the decimal point is absent, then you will start from right to left. Think of it Atlantic Ocean to United States. And you will start counting at the first non-zero digit that you encounter. And all the other digits, after it are significant. For example, this number right here. Remember, our direction has reversed now. So we're going from right to left. So this 0 is not significant, neither is this one. But the first non-zero that we've encountered moving from right to left is this 3. So that means this 3, this 0, and this 5 are significant. That gives us 4. Number of significant figures is 4. To recap, the first non-zero digit we encountered was the 3. And moving right to left, all the others after the 3 are significant. So let's do some practice. All right. First thing we have to think about is, do we have a decimal or not? And if so, which direction do we move? Right? First one, we have no decimal, right? Therefore, our direction is left to right. And we have, right to left. And we have 3 significant figures. Oops. Let me make it more of a text because that'll be better. There we go. We have 3 significant figures on that one. For this one, we have, again, no decimal. So we're moving right to left. And the first 0 we encountered, the first digit we encountered is a 0. So that doesn't count. Neither does the next one. So the first one that we have is the 4. Therefore, this is 2. Next one, we do have a decimal. Therefore, we start from right to left. So this particular one, the 1 is a non-zero. So that means every single digit on this number counts. So that makes it a 4. Same here. This is the first non-zero, that's 7. So these are all counting. This one too. This one, the first non-zero is the 7. So 3. This one, the first non-zero that we encounter is a 1. So this is 4. This one has no decimal. Therefore, yes, it is a 1. This one has a decimal. Therefore, we have to count all of them, and that is 7 total. Next one after that, we have a decimal, right? So we start from left to right, and we are counting only those that are after the 1. So they are 5. Next one after that, we have all significant figures because we start with a non-zero and there is a decimal. So we're starting left to right and they're all significant. This one is 2, no decimal, so right to left. And this one has a decimal and we start from left to right. So these are all significant. The 5 dictates where we start. So that 5, the 6, the 9, the 0, and the 0 are all significant. So that makes it 6. All right.